What's going on, guys? So I'm not really one of these types of people. Um, I don't own any butterfly knives besides two trainers. Um, Jeez Louise, my phone is literally vibrating right now. It's literally moving, and I'm not doing much. But okay, that's beside the point. So I have two butterfly trainers. One's actually practical to me, and I use it all the time. And that is this. What you say? Squid Mako. Um, so this is actually the first trainer I bought. I bought the other one a while back. I really don't play with that one because, I mean, as you can see, I'm not a flipper at all. I don't know Charlie Chaplin's. I don't know any of that stuff. I literally know how to close them. That's it. And open them. That's the extent of my skills. So this right here is a bottle cap and over. That's why I use this one a lot more. If you want to buy this, you can use this as the bite handle or this is the bite handle. They got little nubs on them that you know. But what I do is I treat this side as the bite handle. So that's just me. I don't know much tricks at all. I mean, that's literally the extent of my tricks. Good trainer. It's not perfect, but it's not good either. So, I mean, if you want a really good one, I'll show the other video probably in a few more days. The other one is, it feels a lot nicer in the hand, guys, but it's considerably heavier. So, if you guys want a cool looking bottle opener and show off some tricks, Squid Industries Mako. They're like $90 from the last time I looked. And when I say last time I, when I bought this. So they're fun. They're, as you can see, they are integral handles. They're not, the cheap ones where they, have, two different handles. However, there's a knife that I do want. That is, I just haven't bought one yet. It's kind of a dream knife for me. They go on sale for a lot. I just haven't bought one. So, yeah. But, yeah. Squid Industries Mako. Fun little toy. And I love playing with it because this one sits on my desk. And from time to time, I drink Mexican Coke. So, have a good one, guys.